All right, with March Madness underway, we're going to need some nice snacks. And how about we make a nice Chipotle Salsa? To start, you're going to need 14 ounces of fire-roasted tomatoes, a half a cup of red onion, a teaspoon of garlic that's minced, a half a cup of cilantro, a teaspoon of salt, 2 chipotle peppers, 2 teaspoons of the adobo sauce they were in, and 1.5 tablespoons of lime juice. And then basically you just want to put all this in a blender like I'm doing here. And then basically you just want to blend this until you get the consistency that you wish. And by the way, make sure you invest in a good blender, because if it's kind of weak, this could be a problem. But yeah, just blend it around in either a blender or a food processor. Probably have to scrape it down at least one time, and then just blend until everything comes together. All right. And then we really only have one thing left to do, and that's pour this in a bowl. And that's it. You'll have salsa for the entire rest of the game. So good luck on your March Madness betting, and keep this recipe in your back pocket. So, that's Chipotle Salsa. Done.